The goal of the mesh filter is to maximize the signal-to-noise ratio at the moment of detection. With our original signal X and noise V, so we have this expression here for signal-to-noise ratio. So we would like to maximize the signal-to-noise ratio at time of detection using HM. And to do that, first we assume V to be independent white noise. Then the denominator of the signal-to-noise ratio expression is just a scaled fixed power expression. So using our formulation of a matrix V for the noise signal and the row vector HM for our filter, so again it contains the time reversed impulse response, we obtain these equations here. So remember that the autocorrelation function of noise is a weighted delta function, since noise samples are uncorrelated to all their neighboring samples and they are only correlated with themselves, and the correlation with itself is simply the noise power. So the autocorrelation matrix E, V transpose times V, has all zero entries except on the diagonal where is the noise power. So the noise power times the identity matrix.